In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Smartsheet. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing complex projects or collaborating with others, and you want to keep track of all the updates happening within your sheets. We know that understanding who made what changes and when can act as a safeguard, allowing you to track progress, address accountability, and maintain data integrity. Let's dive into the process. First, locate the specific cell within your Smartsheet that you're curious about. It might be one tracking a key metric or a task that has gone through multiple iterations. Once you have found this cell, you'll want to right-click on it. Right-clicking allows you to access a contextual menu specific to that cell, which offers several options geared towards your needs. From the menu, select the option that says View Cell History. This is a really powerful feature built into Smartsheet to assist in monitoring changes. Once you select it, a panel will promptly appear on your screen. This panel serves as a historical log of the cell in question, providing an overview of what has transpired over time. On this log, you'll be able to see every change that has been made to the cell. This includes what was altered, who made the change, and exactly when it occurred. The log is detailed, giving you the transparency needed to understand the evolution of data within your sheet. It's like having a time machine that lets you peek into past developments. This feature becomes especially valuable when working collaboratively, as it not only gives you insights into the productivity and updates within a sheet, but also helps to identify any errors or mistakes that might have been introduced inadvertently. It's a straightforward way to resolve questions regarding data inconsistencies by tracing them back to their origins. Remember, having a clear log of changes enables you to maintain communication and trust within your project team. It creates an open and documented line of accountability, ensuring everyone is on the same page and empowering team members to take ownership of their updates. With this information at your fingertips, managing and revisiting project data becomes much simpler and more systematic. This step-by-step review helps in making informed decisions, particularly when collaborating with a large team or dealing with complex data inputs and interpretations. I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most out of Smartsheet's capabilities, enhancing your productivity and data management skills. Understanding how to track changes allows for better project oversight and clearer communication across your team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on mastering project management tools.